talk about Amazon and how you guys can make money off Amazon stock. Now, we have Amazon Prime Day coming up, we have earnings and the overall technical analysis. Now, what exactly is Amazon Prime Day and how can we profit off of it? Amazon Prime Day is an annual online shopping event exclusively for Amazon Prime members. Prime Day has now ballooned into a 48-hour online shopping fanatic with a wide range of deals, discounts, and record-breaking global sales figures. Just think of it as a Black Friday deal event with all the hype, but only on Amazon. Why does it matter, and why does it cause the stock price to go up? Amazon is going to be getting a lot more sales from these hot deals coming in from Prime Day, which means more profit for the company. So the first step is going to be Amazon gets more profits from the Amazon Prime Day sale. The second part is where investors and traders buy into the company because of the outlook and the more money the company is making. And then third, we just have the overall breakout for stock. Taking a look at the latest Amazon Prime Day, we can see 1 month before the actual day of the Prime Day, June 22nd, we had a pretty nice run up for the event. And that is what we want to see and play. On TradingView, we can see the symmetrical triangle breakout. Then we had a nice run up prior to the Prime Day event. Then we had the sell the news situation on the day of the Prime Day. And overall, another breakout coming in. This is setting as an example of buying the hype and selling the news. But we have another catalyst coming up for Amazon, which is the earnings report. But this quarter is going to be huge for the earnings, and let me explain why. Let's go on to TradingView. I want to talk about the earnings first before the technical analysis. You guys can click this watch list button and kind of pull the watch list up, and you guys can scroll down and actually kind of read the whole fundamental analysis, which is pretty cool. But I'm only interested on earnings. So every 3 months, Amazon announces earnings for the quarter, and we can see they have been doing, amazing every quarter except for the last one, but still where we should be up on the annual. Now, what's very, very interesting is, next month around February, we should be getting the new earnings report. We should be getting the new earnings report. Now, the thing about this is that we should be getting the 2021 annual report, which is why everyone is watching. Now, what's even more interesting is that we know that Amazon has beaten, 2020 profits, because if we already add up all the net incomes, we are already up more than 21 billion. Now, this is very, very interesting because Amazon killed it this year, but if we look at the Amazon stock price, we're literally just trading sideways this whole entire year, last whole entire year until 2022, where, basically even down 4% from the high of 2020. So this is where things are getting very, very interesting, and just another reason to buy in, where, it's had, incredible earnings report, and on February, it should be out to the public and everyone should be seeing this. And this is why it is very, very important, because Amazon has just been trading sideways with incredible earnings. This is where the magic happens for Amazon, okay? This is with the psychological part of the video, the technical analysis. Now, things, I'm going to be going in very, very in-depth on a technical analysis. I'm also going to be comparing it with an Apple play I did 7 months ago, which absolutely killed it. This was one of the most profitable trades I ever made on. So, Apple play looking just like this Amazon play. So I want to go in very, very in-depth. And the cool part is, no one is looking at the fundamentals. Like, everyone knows Amazon is the blue chip stocks. With the technical analysis, everyone has the chart on for Amazon. Whatever broker you have, everyone is looking at the chart. Okay, it is all psychology. Taking a look at the monthly, this is the golden spot. We have a very, very nice ascending triangle. Now, the stop loss is going to be below the trend line of our support. Now, you're going to be saying, we already hit stop loss because we are below that level. But no, we need to close below that on the monthly. So, we have a whole month left of January. So we need to close above, around 3,300 for this setup to be valid. For example, if you take a look at our last ascending triangle breakout, we went all the way down from this crash from COVID, and it wicked and went all the way back up. So we can see the same thing going up below on Amazon. Even taking a look around March of 2021, we went all the way down and it bounced off and closed above the support. So on the monthly, it is looking extremely, extremely juicy. We can even take a look at the weekly. It is respecting that level. And now is the time to buy below that level. So I'm just telling you guys to buy straight up shares, not leaps, not just regular calls, because those are expensive and you're going to be losing on them 100% sure. So taking a look at Amazon shares is the best option to go. This is going to be a long-term play. You guys can also do a leap call debit spread and watch this video on Apple. So, on Apple, we had the same setup on Ascending Triangle. Now, if you guys actually watch this video, I'll leave it on the top right of the screen. It is a very, very interesting video because I caught the whole move on Apple. And this is what I'm seeing, very, very similar to Amazon. And I'm telling you guys, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, 4 months from now, we're going to be flying on for Amazon. Now, the best way and the safest way to play, in my opinion, is just straight up buying shares. Straight up buying the stock and holding shares and actual owning the company and investing and holding it on for years. Okay, Amazon is a great opportunity as of right now. And I know you don't want to hear this, but you can't, get rich quick. You need to have patience. You can't just gamble on options. Okay, the best way is to just play shares on Amazon. Too many people are trying to get rich quick with options, and me, I just play options for fun, as just a daily income. And overall, just straight up playing shares is the best way to go and stop gambling on options. I wanted to leave the speculation side at the end of the video, so some things that we can potentially see this year is a possible Amazon stock split. Now, I've been waiting this for almost 2 years now, but I would just watch, earnings report, every earnings report for a potential stock split. If we do get a stock split during that formation of the ascending triangle, that is going to be a great catalyst for the breakout of the ascending triangle. So that is going to be the one, important thing that I'm hoping, but I wouldn't get my hopes up way, too high, especially since we did get a new CEO for Amazon. So that's it. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And overall, just make sure to subscribe with notifications on. And if you guys do want to support me, you guys can get some cool emojis and react in the chat. This video did take me a couple of hours to make, so just make sure to leave a like and let me know in your comments, your thoughts on what I went over. Tomorrow, I will be posting a video on CPI data and what exactly it is. And then on Sunday, I'll be posting the video on the week to watch list. So overall, see you guys tomorrow for the next video.